Hey guys, welcome back to Bearded Lumber. Matthew and I appreciate you tuning in. Got a little update today on our Woodmizer LT70. We're sawing white oak, making 3/4 inch tongue and groove hardwood flooring. And as to my surprise, the new setup is actually working pretty good because we're making 3 sizes: a finished 5, 7, and 9. And after they're dry, there'll be a finished 4-inch, 6-inch, and 8-inch board. And these are all the flitches. Most of them are got one square edge, but you know, this is not acceptable. So these will have to get edged down to 9s, 7s, and 5s. Then we got a few double-sided flitches. But the new mill is excellent at doing this kind of work. Let me show you why. When you go over here and you get ready to do some pattern cutting, I've got these patterns set in here. I can do 1 1/8 down to 2 7s and split it in half. I can do 1 1/8 down to a 7 and a 9. I can do 1 1/8 down to 2 9-inch cants. And then I can also do 1 1/8 down to 2 5s. And a switch up here, I can do, when I'm boxing the heart, I can do 1 1/8 down to a 4 or a 5. Now it takes a few minutes to get this set up in the system, but I've got 1,000, 1,200 feet of this to run, so I'm using it on every log. We'll get into it in a lot more detail, but this operating system makes sawing easy once you understand the basics of it and start to put it to practice. Because you look at that oak log right there, you see the heart? That heart's no good. So we're going to have to box that heart. And the way I'm doing that is I cut the top, maybe cut a flitch, roll it over, cut the top, cut a flitch, roll it over, cut the top, and then at that moment decide whether I'm going to have 2 9s, a 9 to 7, 2 7s, a 7 and 5, or 2 5 cants, and go ahead and cut accordingly. And then I'll stand that log up and I will pattern cut down to about where I want to stop the heart. Roll those 2 pieces over and select down to 5 inches, and I'll cut 1 1/8 down to 5, and that 5-inch cant is my heart. Then I'll roll that over, and now I've got a 5-inch wide board, and I'll cut it down to 4 inches there, ensuing boxing the heart. And then I'll have a 4x5, so I have to turn it over one more time and make a true 4x4. And the reason I do that is we use a mountain of 4x4s, so why not make them? They're all heartwood. You can see every one of those 4x4s is a heart grain. And we keep a whole bunch of them out here because we're all the time needing them. But said all that to say this: the LT70 with this electronics package is a beast once you learn how to use it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back at the mill.